Did octopi come from outer space? One of the most heated controversies among the science community was a scientific paper published in 2018. In the paper, a group of 33 scientists claims that cephalopods such as octopi, squid, and cuttlefish are from alien origins that were frozen in an icy comet traveling through space before crashing into the oceans of planet Earth. The paper, titled Cause of the Cambrian Explosion, Terrestrial or Cosmic, discusses the Cambrian explosion which took place on Earth around 540 million years ago. The scientists believe that the Cambrian explosion, which produced most of the animal life forms we see today, resulted from extraterrestrial viruses that added new DNA sequences to the terrestrial genomes, causing genetic mutations. The study highlights how the great and rapid evolution of the octopus we know today may have been caused by these extraterrestrial viruses that infected a population of early squid. In another explanation, the paper states the possibility that cryopreserved squid and/or octopus eggs arrived in icy bodies several hundred million years ago should not be discounted. The paper goes on to question the sudden and great evolutionary change in octopi compared to their ancestors by indicating some type of pre-existence and stating that these evolutions seem to be borrowed from a far distant future in terms of terrestrial evolution. But why octopi specifically? Well, an octopus is surely interesting to look at, but its many fascinating characteristics are what sparked the curiosity of these scientists who write, its large brain and sophisticated nervous system, camera-like eyes, flexible bodies, instantaneous camouflage via the ability to switch color and shape are just a few of these striking features that appear suddenly on the evolutionary scene. The paper, which was extensively peer-reviewed for a year, was largely criticized and negatively received by the scientific community. A virologist has responded that in order for a virus to turn a squid into an octopus, it would need to evolve gradually on an alien planet with a large population of terrestrial squids. He also adds that the octopus nervous system genes evolved from those of the early squid hundreds of millions of years after the Cambrian explosion. Many scientists argue that the paper's claims are speculative and are based on panspermia, which is the argument that life was brought to Earth by celestial bodies. Some scientists believe that panspermia is controversial and counterproductive because it does not have strong scientific evidence to back it up. On the contrary, it adds more incomplete information and more mystery to the studies of the origins of life. The panspermia idea emerged in ancient Greece and literally translates to seed everywhere. Although highly debated, it will likely not be the last time scientists will adopt panspermia as a basic thesis for their claims. The origin of life is one of scientists' most puzzling mysteries, and many theories that were once largely rejected were later accepted as true. Do you think the theory of life evolving from faraway worlds will one day be proven true? Or do you only believe in the Darwinian evolution on planet Earth? Share your thoughts in the comment section.